Congratulations, Kuya Kyle and Ate Jen. We love you and God bless you.
Kyle and Jen, congratulations! We wish you all the best in the next chapter of your lives.
Jen, thank you so much for being part of the reason that Kyle is a much improved version of himself. I am very happy that you found each other and have been each other's strength. You have long been a part of the family, and your wedding just makes it official. May you continue to love, cherish, and strengthen each other. Congratulations again. Cheers to your union.
We love you both!
Wishing you both a lifetime of love, joy, and happiness together. May your wedding day be the beginning of a beautiful journey. May God be the center of your relationship, and may God bless the both of you.
May today be the beginning of a new tomorrow that you will cherish forever. Wishing you both nothing but a lifetime of love and happiness. Congratulations, Kyle and Jen.
Kumusta sa lahat? Hello everyone. Hola a todos. First of all, congratulations to both of you. May the blessing of the Almighty be with you. Samahan kayo ng kabanal-banalan at kataas-taasang Espiritu Santo. Famous line ng Lolo Boy, happy mo yan, remember? I just like to share what I have read, or rather read in the Bible, because today you are officially belongs to each other. Pasensya na at pastor kasi ng tatay ko eh. This is from Corinthians 1:13, 4-5. Describes that the characteristics of love, stating that it is patient, kind, does not envy, boast, or pride itself. This also doesn't dishonor others. It's not self-seeking, irritable, or resentful, and keeps no records of wrongdoings. Sabi nga, as explained, love is patient. This means love can endure hardship, wait patiently, and not be easily provoked. Also, love is kind, as being considerate, gentle, and thoughtful towards others. Another, love does not boast. This means love is not proud or self-promoting. Love is not proud. This describes love as being humble and not conceited. Love does not dishonor others. Love does not treat others disrespectfully or with rudeness. Love is not self-seeking. This means love is not selfish or concerned only with its own needs. Love is not irritable, not easily angered or bothered by others. And finally, love is no records of wrongs. This means love is forgiving and does not hold grudges. And I think, I know some part of this, sablay ako dito. But we have to move on and forward like the water that flows in a river. So, Kyle, if both of you will encounter problems along the way, man up. Try your very best to fix everything. And I wish you all the things that can be described by the word enough. Alam mo na yun. Again, congratulations, good luck, and God bless us both. All of us. I love you.